So we are now less than 1 week away from Nvidia's earnings. Cheers to that, by the way, guys. I'm freaking pumped. We have to break down what the charts are looking like right now, what analysts are saying, of course, what I'm doing with my Nvidia position, and where I see the stock going in the short term. But first, guys, of course, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash reward. And once you fund your account at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, the clock's ticking. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. Get your free stocks. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So, yeah, we are less than 1 week away from earnings. And, guys, it's the calm before the storm. It's about to get real. Nvidia stock is up currently about 1%. We're trading at $147.75. And earlier in the day, we were at $149. And this is in the midst of an overall red day. So we're down across the board on all the indexes here in the U.S. stock market. The Russell's down 1%. S&P's down 0.4%. Dow's down 0.3%, NASDAQ's down about 0.4%. So we're down across the board, and Nvidia is still creeping up because, again, it's the calm before the storm. People are starting to trickle into the stock. Maybe they're speculating on a big move here. So we're up. We're up a little bit before earnings, and over the last couple of days, guys, we've been consolidating. I mean, you guys can see we held around 145 to 148, 49, 150-ish over the last couple of days. We've pretty much been trading sideways here, and I suspect that won't last for much longer. I mean, look, it's Thursday. We might end off this week pretty flat on Nvidia stock, no doubt. I can see that. You know, maybe today we go up 1%, 2%, whatever. Maybe tomorrow, you know, we close at 148, 149. But heading into next week, guys, that's when things might pop off. That's when Nvidia might start to break 150 leading into earnings as hype starts to build up. I mean, guys, this is the leading company in the AI trade after all, and now the biggest company in the world, right? It's bigger than Apple, bigger than Microsoft, bigger than Amazon, Meta, Google, you name it. Nvidia is the top dog, so people are going to be watching it, all eyes on the stock, and they might start piling in. So I wouldn't be surprised, again, if we cool off a bit today, tomorrow, whatever, but heading into next week, man, if we get that pump, I would not be shocked at all, at all. So here on the 20-day chart, we can see we arguably have an ascending triangle. I mean, do we not? We have clear higher lows being made, still holding an uptrend, but at the same time, we have resistance at 148 to 150, clear resistance as we're squeezing deeper and deeper into that triangle. So if this plays out, if you guys don't know what a triangle or how a triangle would play out, if it plays out, we'd do something like this. We'd break out of 149, 150 and start going a lot higher from there. That'd be ideal, obviously, for the bulls. And like I said, maybe that happens into earnings, heading into earnings over the next couple of days. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, guys, I'm curious kind of where your head's at today as we're getting closer and closer to earnings. And for me, guys, I nibbled a little bit more Nvidia. I think that was yesterday. I did buy a little bit more, kind of just averaging in a bit more. Not a huge buy or anything like that, but I added some more. And analysts, a lot of them are still very bullish. So let me pull this up very quickly. And while I do that, make sure to sign up to the email list, guys, where I'm sending you my top 3 stocks every single Monday right to your inbox for completely free of charge. All you have to do is put your first name and your email address using that link in the description box. And again, I'm sending you my top 3 stocks every Monday, so make sure you guys do that. So analysts that are polled by FactSet are expecting Nvidia sales to rise 82% year over year to $33.04 billion in the third quarter, and they see earnings increasing 88% to 75 cents per share. Very, very impressive growth there, guys. Unbelievable. And you wonder why their trailing 12-month PE is at a 65 right now. It makes sense. They're growing so much. And the fact that they're a $3.5 trillion company, massive company, biggest company in the world, and they're still growing this much, it's insane. It's unbelievable. And their forward PE, I think, is like a 45. So I think there's still decent value in the price here, which again is why I'm nibbling, or I bought some more shares yesterday. Nothing too crazy, but yeah. It's going to be a big quarter, man, and Q4 is going to be big as well. We can see here Q4 guidance will be critical. That's what all eyes are on because it will include the first quarter of sales of the company's next generation AI processor called Blackwell, which we've covered before. They're saying it's sold out for the next 12 months. You know, the demand is through the roof. And Wall Street is currently modeling earnings of 82 cents, up 58% year over year on sales of, $36.87 billion, up 67% for Nvidia's fiscal fourth quarter, which will get those earnings obviously in a couple of months. But yeah, fourth quarter guidance is going to be huge. Obviously, guidance from there on is going to be huge. And as of now, it looks like here, is that Jim Cramer, by the way, this bald guy on the left? Kind of looks like Jim Cramer. I don't know. What do you guys think? But Susquehanna Financial Group analyst Christopher Rowland reiterated his positive rating on Nvidia stock and raised his price target to $180 from $160 per share. So they jacked up their price target. Rowland said his industry checks indicated sustained demand for Nvidia's current generation Hopper series products, H100 and H200, ahead of the Blackwell series launch. Coming down here a little bit more. Robust capital equipment spending plans by hyperscale cloud service providers such as Amazon and Meta are driving AI data center processor demand, says Rowland. That makes sense for sure. Let's see. Any other analysts? What are they saying here, guys? Looks like Pajuri kept his strong buy rating on Nvidia stock and increased his price target. That's a Raymond James analyst. He increased his target to $170 per share. Let's come down here. Anything else? I guess that's pretty much it. But overall, analysts are still very bullish, and the numbers, guys, for Q3, Q4 are projected to be very, very strong. It looks like here the Raymond James analyst said we expect another strong quarter driven by healthy Hopper demand and early Blackwell ramps. Of course, that's huge. And he said supply remains a wild card, which could limit near-term upside. All right. But yeah, overall, Nvidia, guys, the clock is ticking, man. These next couple of days heading into earnings are going to be wild. I'm freaking pumped, and I'm curious what you guys think. Let me know in the comments down below. Like I said, I bought some more shares yesterday. I'm holding on. I'm holding tight, and I'm in for the ride. I'm curious what you guys are doing, though. Are you buying? Are you holding? Are you selling? Let me know down below in the comments, and make sure to keep your eyes on this triangle. Very important on the 1 hour chart. Keep your eyes peeled on this triangle and hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe here on YouTube for all the updates heading into earnings. You're going to want to do that and get your free stocks for Moomoo. Fund your account at least $100. You get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash reward, pretty much $30 for free that you can trade with. And if you fund your account at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So check out the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.